Last period we have seen calculation of depreciation under written down value method. So we will continue the same problem. So 1 year is over. Fourth one we are doing. Okay. So second year onwards we'll start. Check on machinery. One. Fourth one. So 1/1/2011 to balance BD. To balance BD 64,000. So 64,000. Okay. So you have to look on 1st July. On 1st July 2011. 1st July 2011, we purchased another machinery. We purchased another machinery for rupees. Another machinery for rupees 50,000. 50,000. Okay. So next on 1st July 2012 only. Next year only, 1st July 2012, we sold the first machine. So here, next closing date 31st December 2011 by depreciation. By depreciation, 6,400. 6,400. Second one, 1st July only we purchased. So 50,000 into sorry. No, here percentage is 20%. So 64,000 20%. 12,800. Sorry, 12,800. 12,800. Okay. So 20% is depreciation. So next 50,000 into 20%. 6/12. Okay. 50,000 into 20%. 20% into 6/12. So by balance CD 64,000 minus 12,800. 51,200. Second one, 50,000 minus 5,000. 45,000. 1,14,000. Okay, here 20% is the depreciation. Next, 1st January. So next year we'll write. Next page. 1st January 2012. 1st January 2012. To balance BD. To balance BD 51,200. Second one, 45,000. 45,000. Now you have to check. On 1st July 2012, on 1st July 2012, on 1st July 2012, we sold the first mission. We sold the first mission. So 1st July 2012, we sold first mission, means 6 months we used that missionary. Second, we know that if any sale is there, then by cash, then profit or loss. Okay, then we will find closing date 31st December 2012 by, that we can write by depreciation 2, by depreciation 2. So 9,000. 45,000 into 45,000 into 45,000 into 20%. Then by balance CD, by balance CD to 45,000 minus 9,000, 36. Okay, now we will calculate. So you can write second one and second balance. If it is 3, you can write. Then we can calculate sold. Depreciation. So 51,200 into 20% into 6 by 12. Because 6 months only we used that missionary. So we will get 5,120. Okay, so now 51,200 minus, so sold amount it is given 23,000. 23,000. So 51,200 minus 5120. So 46,000. So we'll get 46,080. 46,080. So that compare with 23,000. So loss only. Compare with 23,000. So we'll get 23,080. This only loss by profit and loss account. 23,080. Clear? So you can write last the sold one date. Then remaining, if it is 3 missionary, by depreciation 2, 3, by balance CD 2, 3. Then we can. So depreciation. So 1st January to 1st July, how many months we used? 6 months. So 6 month depreciation. Then sold. Then find profit or loss. 51,200 minus 5,120. Then we will get 46,080. That and 23,000 you have to compare. Current value is 46,080. We sold for rupees 23,000. Loss. Next, one more year, no? Four years. 1, 2, 3. One more year. 1/1/2013 to balance BD. To balance BD. Now only 2. Second one. 36,000. 36,000. Next, 31st December 2013 by depreciation. By depreciation. Second one, 36,000 into 20%. 7,200. So by balance CD. Second one, 36,000 minus 7,200. 28,800. So next question onwards, you have to take little more care. So pattern will be like that only. 3 machinery should be there, purchase, and one will solve. Will say. Okay. Now fifth question. A company purchased on 1st April 2012 a machinery for rupees 36 4,000 installation. So for total 40. On 1st October in the same year we purchased another machinery. On 1st October 2014, the machinery bought on 1st April 2012 means the first one we sold for rupees 12,000. Same date we purchased another 64,000. So depreciation is provided annually on 31st March at the rate of 10% per annum. On the written down value. Now written down diminishing. Show the machinery account for 3 years. Only 3 years. So machinery account. So if you have any doubt, you can ask. Okay. Fifth one. A company purchased on 1st April 2012. 1 for 12. 2 cash. 1 40,000. On 1st October in the same year, 1 10 2012. 2 cash. Same year means 1 2 you can write. This next which one? October only. So to cash 2 20,000. Okay. 1st April 2012 and the same year October. Now 14 only. Now 31st March 2013 by depreciation 1. Here 10%, so 4,000. Second one 2,000. Then by balance CD 1 40,000 minus 4,000 36,000. Second one 20,000 minus 2,000. Tell.
For second machinery depreciation, we should minus only 6 months is there, right?
Yes. Sorry. Okay. So first, second one, 1st October only we purchased. So 1,000. Yes. 20,000 into 10% into 6 by 12. 1,000. So here 19,000. Okay. So look, date it is very important. 1,000, 19,000, 60. Next, 1st April 2013. So we know that closing date is 31st March 2014. So any transaction, next transaction is 1st October 2014, 31st March. After, okay. So next year only we sold and new machine purchased. So no other transaction. So to balance BD 136,000 to 19,000. Now 31st March 2014 by depreciation 1 3,600 to 1,900. Next, by balance CD. By balance CD 1 36,000 minus 3,600. 6,000 minus 3,000, 2,400. So 32,400. Second one 19,000. So 18, 17. So 17,100. So 55,000. Next year, 1st April 2014 to balance BD 1 32,400. Second 17,100. So here transaction is there. 1st October 2014 we sold machinery also. We purchased the same date we purchased another machinery also. Okay. On the same date a fresh machine was purchased for rupees 64,000. So first we will write purchased one. Otherwise we will forget. To cash 364,000. To cash 364,000. So we know that by, if any sale is there, first we will write depreciation. So here it is given on 1st October 2014, the machinery bought on 1st April 2012 was sold for rupees 12,000. So we can write 12,000. Okay. So depreciation, you have to look 1st April to 1st October. How many months we used that machinery? 6 months we used. 6 months we used. So 32,400 into 10% into 6 by 12. 1620. 1,620. Next, 32,400 minus 1,620. So 30,780. 30,780. We sold for rupees 12,000. So it is loss only. Okay, loss. So loss will be 18,780 by profit and loss account. By profit and loss, 18,780. 18,780. So first one is over. Then no need to look. First one. Next closing date, 31st March 2015. By depreciation, to 1,710, 64,000 into 10 percentage into 6 by 12. Purchase date to closing date. So 3,200. Now by balance CD. By balance CD to 3 to 17,100. 17,100 minus 1,710. Okay, so 15,390. Next, 64,000 minus 3,200. So 60,800. Total will be 1,13,500. 1,13,500. So next one, Bharat Company purchased on 1st January 2011 a machinery 19,200, installation 800, total 20 on 1st July 2012. Next year only. Additional machinery was purchased on 1st April 2013. The machinery purchased on 1st January 2011 have become obsolete, sold for rupees 7,500. On the same date, new machinery was purchased. Depreciation provided annually on 31st December at 10% per annum. Okay. Prepare machinery account for 3 years. Same pattern only. Here closing date is 31st December. One 2011 to cash. One 20,000. So this year no other transaction. 31st December 2011. Next 1st July 2012 only. So by depreciation 10% only 2000. By balance CD 20,000 minus 2,000 18,000. Next 1st January 2012 to balance BD 18,000. On 1st July 2012. So on 1st July 2012 we purchased another machinery 10,000. Okay, so next any other transaction next year only 2013 only. So 31st December 2012 by depreciation 1,800 to date. It is very important. 10,000 into 10% into 6 by 12 500. Now by balance carry down 18,000 minus 1,800. So 17,000 16,200. 16,200. Second one 10,000 minus 500 9,500. Okay, so no other transaction. Total debit side total 28,000. Next 1st January 2013. 1st January 2013 to balance BD. To balance BD 16,200. Second one 9,500. So you have to look this year 1st April 2013 we sold our first machinery and we purchased new machinery 1st April. So 1st April 2013 we purchased another machinery to cash 3. So sold is there by depreciation. So here one thing you have to remember. So depreciation, how to calculate? 16,200 into 10 percentage into 3 by 12. Why? Opening date to selling date. 1st January to 1st April. January, February, March. 3 months. So 1,620 half 8, 10, 8 and a half, 4, not 5. Okay. Next, by cash. By cash, it is given 7,500. Now we have to find the profit or loss. 16,200 minus 405. So 15,000. So that you have to compare with the 7,500. 7,500. So loss only by profit and loss. So 15,000. 7,500 is 705. So 8,295. 7,500. 7,500. Okay, next 31st December 2013 by depreciation 2 depreciation 2 950 3 20,000 into 10 percentage into 10 percentage into 1st April to 31st March, 9 by 12. So 2,000 1,500. So by balance CD, time is over. By balance CD, 2 9,500 minus 950, 8,550. Third one, 20,000 minus 1,500, 18,500. So debit side total 45,700. 45,700. Okay. Now time is over.